Nature therapy, also known as ecotherapy or green therapy, is a practice that leverages the healing power of the natural environment to support mental wellness. Incorporating nature therapy into your routine can help reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall psychological resilience. Here's how you can use nature therapy to boost your mental well-being. Start by making time for regular outdoor activities. Even short walks in a park, forest, or garden can have significant benefits. Focus on being fully present. Notice the colors of the leaves, the sound of birds, or the feeling of sunlight on your skin. Mindful engagement with your surroundings helps quiet anxious thoughts and grounds you in the moment. Engage in activities that foster a connection with nature. Gardening, hiking, or simply sitting quietly under a tree can be deeply restorative. If possible, try forest bathing, a Japanese practice called Shinrin-yoku, which involves immersing yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of the forest to promote relaxation and clarity. Use nature as a backdrop for mindfulness or meditation. Find a peaceful spot outdoors, close your eyes, and tune into your senses. Let the natural environment anchor your attention, helping you cultivate calm and focus. Bring elements of nature indoors if you can't always get outside. Houseplants, natural light, or even nature sounds and imagery can create a soothing atmosphere and remind you of the calming effects of the outdoors. Finally, make nature therapy a regular part of your self-care routine. Whether it's a daily walk, weekend hikes, or tending to plants at home, consistent exposure to nature can help lower anxiety, boost mood, and support lasting mental wellness.